So, ladies and gentlemen, our price managements, market pricings, and then the cases of the Sudan cases. Those are the broad areas. Per prices, we mean the rent you're paying per month. They are quite expensive. Also, their budget requirement there. That is the areas, and on the other end, that is me right there, of course, and my full names. Okay, the tribes I come from, and then the cases we are handling is this one. This is the origins and the original copy of Sudan. Okay, this is what they call the copyright. Okay, Sudan, which is they call copyright and has no division right there. You can see if you look on this one here, this is the one we just fixed because the guy here was dividing. That's why we brought that 7 in order to bring this copyright back original, because they are forcing this copyright to no longer be recognized, and then somewhere there they are forcing to be a country of their own origins. So is the this one is causing this one problem. Okay, so telecommunications, this is the causes of the telephones. You are ringing, you want to ring Sudan, Kenya, you want to ring Uganda, Canada, any other world, of course, is very costly, and those costing money there to use it as such kind of a phone to ring them. You have to pay extra, and that's how people normally pay. And then this purpose here, our purpose here, solving this case here to be calling for free. Okay, you have your phone, and then how we can get you running your free calls. That is all matter to us. And then what matter to us is that one, and then the copyright of Sudan, and then the market price, which is hindering you guys. And then at the other end was looking at the slum level, how dirty the areas are. We providing secure tradition housing for people who are affected, such as, like, look at this situation here. This house was wrinkled, was down, and then we are taking care to pull it back so that we can function here. So that is our business name right there. We have doing that purpose. So all that purpose serve this one Sudan cases on the world map, which went fake and which is no longer original. So that is the criteria we are using to combat that situation right there, ladies and gentlemen. And then on the other end, you can see this is the situation right there. Okay, this is Sudan, of course, and the market price affected the food, and how we are minimizing the whole pork. I mean the whole package here, or 5 kilogram or 10 kilograms. That is what we are arranging. 5 kilogram, 10 kilograms, 25 kilograms. That's what we are arranging for people to be sold at a very affordable prices, and then you can afford it. You can find everything for $1. So that is how cheap we're gonna be, and then that's how reliable we're gonna be. So selling shoes could be also affordable. Your handheld device, shoes, clothings, and then you may found automobiles and spare part, food. Okay, they will all go per kilograms. They won't go grams. You won't see in the market any grams we are labeling as a Krieger departments. Okay, or as a wine warehouse. That's our main purpose, is to ensure we are open to the people. We are really helping people thoroughly by ensuring all the market goes per kilograms. Okay, for whatever there are 5 kilograms, they may go 5 kilograms per households, not per grams. Anybody you found selling grams will be arrested by us, okay, in the nearest future. That is coming today to Krieger stores, and then our police will arrest such kind of people. So which are forcing people to be going broke at homes. So that is how the main purpose is. And then shall you be carrying your mobilities without ringing? No. So our main purpose is to ensure we provide you with the SIM card for free, so that your phone may ring as normal as is. So that is the main purpose. If your computer is right there, shall you be broke and then without going to the internet? No. We will get your internet also hooked by selling you the product without billing you monthly. So looking at your shoes, we have a lot of damaged shoes, and then we have to take care of those and those and those. That's how we do here. Okay, so this is criterias, ladies and gentlemen. You can see here, this is the foods. Okay, the food markets things. Of course, as we said, everything's gonna be kilos. Okay, 5 kilos, 3 kilos, 5 kilos, 3 kilos, and then sell to people. Okay, so that is basically, so when they come to those kind of product, also those are the quantity of the furnitures, and then ranging from bedding, offices, and then anything else that we may have. Okay, per marketing. So that is basically per marketing. So how we want to market ourselves accordingly with all the departments that we are handling and that we are helping. Okay, so looking at that, that's mandates ideas that we may have and brought into topics, so that people look at it, and then they may react, and then have it done to the way they may need. Okay, so that's us right there. Okay, so our main purpose, and then to what we do here, that's criteria of the jobs we are working. So there are departments here, quite about Sudan, and then about the stores we have, of course, sealed all the areas that we are making basically. So that is our editing, and then quite a bit work that we are doing towards people. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, vis-a-vis by me, Wine Hassan, das ist it on.